And now let's see how Marts and Paula will demonstrate waltz choreography with teaching count. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, and 1, 2 and 3, 1 and 2, 3. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite direction. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, and 1, 2 and 3, 1 and 2, 3. And now let's look at same waltz choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we take close hold and open promenade position. From here we dance open natural turn from promenade position. We continue with lady outside into chasse roll to right. In a corner we dance outside swivel. And then we dance big top out of corner. We continue with Fallaway reverse and slip pivot, and then double reverse overspin. Now we dance progressive chasse, which is originally quick step figure, and also a running cross chasse to promenade position. Very good. Let's see once again from opposite direction, and now we will focus on direction of movement. Man takes close hold facing diagonally to wall and opens promenade, ready to move diagonally to wall with open natural turn. Then we move down line of dance with chasse roll to right, which we finish in the corner with outside swivel. From here we move diagonally to center with a big top. In same direction we continue with Fallaway reverse slip pivot. Now we move down line of dance with double reverse overspin. And also down line of dance with progressive chasse. Now we move diagonally to wall with running cross chasse to promenade position. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Marts and Paula. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining us on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.